Would you believe this elegant flower brooch is made from just a few strips of satin ribbon? Today, I'll show you exactly how I make it from start to finish. We'll create each flower petal, assemble the flower, and I'll also show you my simple way of attaching the brooch pin securely to the bag. So let's gather our supplies and get started. We only need a few supplies for this project. So we have satin ribbon, cut into strips that are 2.5 cm wide and 9 cm long. I'm using 3 pieces each of red, white, and blue. We'll also need a round felt circle measuring about 4.5 cm in diameter, a 3.8 cm brooch pin, and a centerpiece. You can use any centerpiece you like or whatever you already have on hand. Now let's begin. Make sure your needle and thread are ready. First, I'll show you how to make one flower petal. Once you've learned this step, simply repeat it with the remaining ribbon strips until all of the petals are finished. Now, it's time to attach the brooch pin. We'll make 2 small cuts in the felt. Then, carefully insert the brooch pin through the openings like this. Next, apply a little glue on both sides to help keep the pin securely in place. Now we'll glue the felt to the back of the flower. Finally, let's attach the centerpiece. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy ribbon craft ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft